Here's my 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. That's the stock exhaust. Bike is great. The exhaust is not inspirational. So I'm gonna switch it out with this cheapy Chinese one. So here's the one I got. It was only like $32 on a little Black Friday sale. Normally it was only like $39 too. So you can see right through it pretty much. See here. See that. We have a baffle that you can remove. And it's supposed to be universal. Didn't come with very much hardware. Did come with some gloves though. It's pretty nice. So let's see if I can figure out how to install it. We'll see if it's actually compatible. That's the stock exhaust. So to remove it, I'm assuming there was two little Allen wrench screws that pop off the cover. And then there's this piece here. This is 12 millimeter on the inside. Just crank on that, and then there's this piece right here, and I think that's all there is to it. And there's the stock exhaust. Considerably heavier, much heavier, like 4 times as much, I think. You can't see through it. It is ugly inside. Now, hopefully, we can get this thing on there. I'm not sure if it's compatible or not. I almost forgot to see how it sounds without the exhaust at all. Gotta do it quick because it's to piss off the neighbors. It actually sounds really good and not too loud either. All right, got it on. It's held by this strap. It's actually way in the front, almost too far forward, but there's nothing holding it back here, which I think is fine. It's a little wiggle to it, but there's a piece that's on the end, if you notice, that actually comes out, and I reversed it, stuck it inside, and it slid right in. Then this is basically just keeping the tension on, and this is holding it onto the bike. So now, let's see how it sounds. It's got the baffle still in there. Oh, it sounds really good. Wow, it sounds really good with the baffle in. That might keep it in there, but let's see how it sounds when I take it out. So, safety notice, the edge of the baffle when you're pulling out is sharp. Very sharp. And let's see how it sounds. You can see right inside, look at that. Probably not good if it's raining. Maybe the baffle is a good idea. I don't know. 3, 2, 1. This sounds really good. To me, I couldn't really tell much of a difference. So I'm going to play back and see if I can tell if there's much of a difference. So I can't really tell. So I'm going to put the baffle back in, but I just placed it in there and start it up. Much better. All right, so that's the new exhaust. I think it's a success. Much better than the original. Thanks for watching, well, no, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Royal Enfield with cheese. Please hit like, subscribe, more videos.